Guitial, the real deal artisans preserve ancestral Corotega legacy. Even in modern times, every piece of Guitial pottery is handmade from start to finish. To be sure, the tiny village of Guitial is off the beaten path, but not too far off. Nor is it a difficult drive or hard to find, and the trip takes you through a particularly scenic area of Costa Rica's Guanacaste province. Guitial is just a 15-minute drive east of Santa Cruz along the old route to Nicoya. However you get there, your Guitial visit will be highly worthwhile and is best not rushed. Seldom are there opportunities like this to step back thousands of years in time for a first-hand history lesson. Guitial is famous throughout Central America for its significant role in preserving the legacy of Corotega pottery. The story unfolds as you stop by any of the local studio galleries to observe and chat with the artisans at work. Read and see more at www.howlermag.com.